Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to combine or merge first and last name in Excel. So whether you are working on an email list or compiling user data, let's look at how easy it is to combine. In this case, a first and last name in separate columns, we need to combine these into a single cell or a single column. We need to use a very simple formula to merge these cells. First, you need to type equals and start typing the formula. Next, you will select the first cell, comma, open quote, space, close quote, comma, and then select the second cell. Now you can hit enter and drag the handle to pull and drag down the rest of the column. It's going to respectively grab the next row and column. And yes, it's done. We have got the full names in this column. I hope this was helpful. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.